Here's how I transformed this wig from 0 to 8,000. See how it's looking very fine. This was what the wig looks like before I worked on it. I started by brushing it off, then I added warm water to a bowl, added my shampoo, and then I washed the wig. You can use any shampoo of your choice. I washed it, make sure it was very clean, washed the frontal because it's a frontal wig. I cleaned everything and then passed my hand through, like made sure it was clean, then I mixed my products. I use mostly different types of conditioners to give me like that silk pressed look, and then I added like a little bit of oil and a detangling spray to detangle all the knots on it. And then I mixed the conditioner in a bowl and I applied it. This was what it was looking like, and I applied it on the hair, passing my fingers through and all of that. After that, I brushed the hair to make sure that everything was saturated, the whole hair was saturated. Then I tied it in a nylon, poured boiled water on it. I put it inside a can that had cover, and I covered it and sealed it. And this was what the hair looked like even before I started styling. Then I blow dryer and I stretched it, and this is the final result. It looks really nice. Like, I couldn't believe that the hair will come back to life like this. And thank you guys for watching. This is the final video. Please like, share and subscribe and tell me what you think. Bye.